Today, we will talk about how to open a door with a credit card. Let's have a look at the details. If you forget your key again and wish you could get into your home without it, you may be able to use your credit card to do so. Just keep in mind that this technique only works on doors that have a simple knob lock with a spring latch or a slanted latch. To open your door, wiggle a card into the gap between the door and the door frame. If this doesn't work, resort to an alternative solution. The first method is doing the basic technique. Slide the card into the vertical crack between the door and frame. Push it in as far as it will go at a 90-degree angle to the door. Tilt the card towards the doorknob until it is almost touching it. You'll be able to push the credit card further into the gap between the door and the door frame. Bend the card back the opposite way will make the card slip under the angled end of the slant latch, forcing it back into the door. Quickly open the door and unlock it on the other side. If your door did not easily pop open, try leaning against the door while bending your card back and forth a few times. This will add more pressure to the latch and should open it. And the second method is finding alternative solutions. Check for unlocked windows. Walk around to all of the ground level windows that your home has and try to open them. If you find that one is unlocked, pop the screen out and open the window as wide as you can. Then climb through to get inside. Climbing through a window can be dangerous. Only try this if you're confident in your ability to climb inside safely. If you have a back door or side door, check that too. You or someone who lives with you may have forgotten to lock it. Call your roommates. If you live with friends or a significant other, call or text them to see if they're nearby. If so, ask if one of them would mind stopping by the home to let you in. While this may require that you wait a few minutes on your front porch steps, it doesn't involve potentially damaging your property or paying expensive service fees. Also, consider walking to a nearby coffee shop to pass the time if you live somewhere where this is possible. Call your landlord. This is a great option if your landlord lives on site. Give them a call to see if they're home and ask nicely if they'd mind letting you in. Even if they don't live on site, they may work nearby and be kind enough to swing by and help you out. Hire a locksmith as a last resort. If you don't have any roommates and your landlord isn't available to help, it might be time to call a locksmith. Hire them to come to your home and change the locks so that you can get in. While this will effectively solve the problem, it may be pricey, so it's a good idea to only do it if you're out of options. Keep in mind that your landlord may charge you for changing the locks and/or for damaging the door. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.